Beautiful friends, we are back. How are you all doing? If you noticed, I stopped making videos about Hamster because they really got me upset, and a lot of people are also upset. Okay, I am not upset because it was a flop. Of course, I was expecting that because there were a lot of people that played the game. I was upset because they didn't even make enough effort towards rewarding their community. Okay, for somebody to play Hamster for 6 months and get zero is just not acceptable. But it is what it is. The mindset in this game is sometimes you can win some, sometimes you can lose. Okay, so if you're new into airdrop farming, this is how it goes down sometimes. Okay, you can farm and nothing, and some other times you can farm and make a lot of money. So if you're in my Telegram group, you can see that I'm farming a number of them. You can see I've got about 30 of them I've been farming. Okay, so and they all have not been flops. Okay, for example, we made money from Notecoin. Okay, some of you didn't join the Notecoin game, but I did, and I made a reasonable amount of money from Notecoin. You can see this one right here. I made a reasonable amount of money. Okay, so if we look at what's been going on here, Hamster for me now is a flop. Pixelverse was a flop. We still have got other games. Okay, for example, YesCoin, this one has not launched yet. MemeFi launching on the 9th. Okay, this one in my opinion is gonna cook. Okay, Gemscoin, this one is pretty similar to Hamster. Okay, they have completed season 1. If you were not part of that, there is still another opportunity for you to join. You can join now for the season 2. Okay, if you want to play these games, just join my Telegram group and have access. But mind you, some of these games are already close to their TGE. Okay, so but some of them are not. Okay, you can see this one, Pocket Rocket. I've been mining or farming this for quite some time now. Holdcoin. Okay, Bloom, ladies and gentlemen, this another one that is expected to cook. I don't know if it is gonna cook. Here is TapSwap. I've not been serious with this. Dotcoin, I just ignored this. Okay, because I personally do not think it's gonna cook, so I kind of ignored it. There's Baboon, there is Zigzag, there is Tapcoin. These guys are kind of misbehaving, in my opinion. I don't even know where they're headed. And there's Ton Station. This is another one very close to TGE, and Dogs, of course, you know this cooked. For some reason, the ones that cooked are close together on my list. Okay, Notecoin cooked, Dogs cooked, and I hope you know Cartizen cooked. Okay, there was another project that also cooked. Note AI, it also cooked. Okay, so you see what I'm saying? Some of these projects would cook, why some would just get you upset. But the way we do this is after getting upset, you still continue, because you don't win by quitting, you win by forging ahead. Okay, so we have Docs and then S Empire. For some reason, I just think this might not cook as most people are expecting. X Empire, I might be wrong. It might be just the same thing with Rocket Rabbit. How many of you farmed Rocket Rabbit? That one also gave us dust. Okay, so here is another one, Grand Combat. I think this one is still early. Grand Combat, Money Dogs. Okay, this one we're still early on these ones. Grand Combat, Money Dogs, Gemscoin. Okay, and Major. This one is also gonna cook. This one might also cook. Goods. I don't know. Fat Tap. Okay, this one is already an upsetting project. So, and what about to market? This one is going to be launching late October. Okay, we're a few days away from entering the month of October. And Meme Lab, this one is a new project. You can join Time Farm. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to add more projects to this list, more new projects to this list. Okay, if you fancy, you can join any of them. Okay, don't forget, this one is new. You can still join this and I talked about money dogs. So don't forget to join my Telegram group if you want to play any of this. Remember, we don't win by quitting, we win by forging ahead. You're gonna make some losses, some projects are gonna waste your time, just like Hamster did, but if you keep forging ahead, you will definitely hit the gold mine. Okay, but the mindset is nothing is guaranteed. Okay, so my friends, let's just forget about Hamster. It was a big mess. Okay, but we keep moving on. If you're on this journey with me, make sure you subscribe, turn on the notification bell. Let's go.